In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix lag on a Roblox PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Before I start teaching you how to fix any performance issues that you might be having on the console versions of Roblox, I want to make it very clear that, as you can notice, I am recording this video on my PC. But don't worry, the process or the method that I'm going to teach you is also going to work for the console versions of Roblox. I'm only recording on my PC because it is more convenient for me to do so. So all that you have to do is join any experience. This can be the experience where you are experiencing lag or any other one that might be less intensive. Once you are inside of the experience, all that you have to do is pause the game. So usually by pressing start or the options button, you will be able to access the settings. So switch over to settings, and this is where you can find the graphics quality of the game. This is going to be the single most important thing when it comes to improving performance on Roblox on a PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. Keep in mind that this is also going to work for Xbox, so if you have an Xbox as well, you can also follow this step here. By lowering the graphics quality, the game is going to look a little bit worse, but the trade-off is that you will get much better performance and the game is going to feel stable. So if you are having trouble running the game, you can try this. Like I said, this is going to be the most straightforward way to do this. It is extremely simple. You can do it inside of Roblox itself, and you don't have to modify anything on your actual console. Now, if you notice that you are still having performance issues or even internet connection issues, then what I would recommend is to look at your actual console, make sure that it is not overheating. If it is on a place where it doesn't get a lot of ventilation, it might be having way too much dust enter it, and it might be overheating, which can affect performance in most games. So always keep your console clean on a well ventilated area. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix lag on Roblox, PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.